going on, everyone? All right, we got a 6th generation Toyota 4Runner here, and I'm gonna show you how to use the factory key fob to remote start it. It's really simple. You're gonna press the lock button 3 times in a row. On the 3rd time, you're gonna press and hold it down for 3 seconds. We're gonna get a notification with the parking lights. It's gonna start flashing that the vehicle's about to remote start. It should remote start, and then we'll go get in it, finish the video up. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Notification. I'll go ahead and unlock. Come around, and what you're gonna wanna do now, it's in remote start mode. You're gonna wanna put your foot on the brake, hit start, and we are good to go. You'll notice that all your settings will pop up on the radio as soon as you do that. You have to like pretend to start the vehicle, and then you're ready to go. You're ready to drive off. So the remote start activation will last for 10 minutes, and you can do it twice. If you need to cancel the remote start, you can cancel it. Go and start it back up. I'll show you the cancel. So we can cancel a remote start. If you need to cancel a remote start, you're pressing and holding the lock button, and it'll cut right off. So you hold it for about 1 or 2 seconds and it'll cut off. That's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos on the 6th gen 4Runner, I'm going to have a bunch of these coming out pretty soon. Hit subscribe, support the channel by hitting like and leaving me a comment. I hope to see you again in another Toyota video.